Hi guys, it's Alan here from Compass Media, and I just wanted to jump on today and give you another little tip for LinkedIn. Yes, indeed. And today I want to talk to you about building connections on LinkedIn. Okay. Now, what I'm talking about is connections. Okay. It's about creating them connections and building on them connections and finding them connections as well. A number of tips here that I want to give you. Okay. First things first, when you go to connect with someone, you find them on LinkedIn and you like what they do, or you want to connect and you want to reach out to them, okay? Don't just press that connect button on the networking side of the page. Send them a personal message. So click into the profile, click on the connect button, and it'll bring it up and it'll ask you, do you want to send a personal message? Send that personal message. Send the personal message with a message that has meaning. So why you want to connect with them, or you may have heard them. Now let me give you an example. The other day I was listening to a podcast, and the podcast guest was really, really insightful, gave some great advice, and I said, I want to connect with that guy. I really do. So what I done was I went onto LinkedIn, found him, and then I sent him a personal note. And in the personal note, I actually said to him, really enjoyed your podcast the other day. Very, very insightful. I just wanted to reach out and connect with you. Simple as that. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Okay. Very, very simple, but it was personal. Okay. An hour later, that person connected with me and said, thanks for reaching out. Okay. What you do then, and this is the second part that I wanted to talk about, is send a reply, send a thank you, even if it's in the written form, or if you have LinkedIn on your phone, you can, the mobile app, you can actually go into the mobile app, and in the messages section, you can press the mic button and you can send them a voice message. Maybe you don't have the time to write a thank you note, but you can very easily just go on and press the record button and say, thanks for connecting with me. Looking forward to talking to you, or whatever you want to say, whatever format you want to say it in. But it sends a personal message to that person, and they get it and they hear your voice. Okay. They've seen your picture on your LinkedIn profile. Now they're hearing your voice. So they're connecting with you even more. And the fact that you have taken the time out of your day to send them an actual voice message will mean so much to them and can be so beneficial. Okay. The other point that I wanted to make to you is when you do connect with people and you say, oh, well, they might be great to do business with, don't send them, and I'm saying this to you now, do not send them a big sales pitch the minute you connect with them, okay? Because they're gonna know that that's all you're doing, and that's not of any value to you or to the person that you're connecting with. An example of that would be is if I walked up to you at a networking event, okay, and I walked straight up to you and I handed you a contract and says, you have to sign this. Are you going to do it? No, you're not. But if I walk up to you and I say hello to you and I start a conversation, I build that relationship, then you're going to be more inclined to look at that contract with me at a later date. So guys, very, very important. 3 key points. When you're sending a connection, when you want to connect with someone, make sure you send a personal note to say why you're connecting with them, or to, introduce yourself. Then when they do connect with you, that you send them a personal note and say thank you for connecting. Or you can send them, as I said, a voice message as well. And do not sell straight away to them, because that's not what it's about, okay? It's social media. It's social. That's the whole idea of it is we connect, we build connections, we build relationships, and that's how we get to the next stage. Okay. If you want to find out more about this information and you want to learn more about LinkedIn, you can book onto my course, which is happening on the 10th of March in the Glass Houses in Dún Laoghaire. It is the LinkedIn Intensive Training Course, and I'll be sharing lots more tips with you on the course on the day. Really, really good. You can buy your tickets on Eventbrite, and I'll pop a link in the comments below as well here in this video. Okay, so have a great day. As I said, remember, LinkedIn, it's about connections, and it's about understanding how to connect with people digitally Okay, have a great day. I shall talk to you soon. Hopefully you've got some value from this video. Love your comments down as well. Love your comments as well on what you think and if you've had any similar experiences. Okay, look forward to hearing them. Pop them in the comments below. Have a great day. I shall talk to you soon. Bye.